Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy A04s. So first we'll need to open the Google Play Store, and inside, if we try to find the game, there's no real results, and to fix this we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture and head on to the settings. Inside, reveal the family and go for parental controls. Now disable parental controls entirely or click on apps and games and enter the PIN code. Now increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings. Now if you go back, this game should be right here on the top. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.